What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Thank you for tuning in. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, and with Christmas around the corner, I hope everyone's doing their holiday shopping, planning their trips to see family. You know, I hope everyone has a great holiday. Today we are doing something different with the channel. We are going to a toy drive sponsored by the Shop NYC. It is for a great cause, so today we're going to run over to Brooklyn to pick up my boy Pat. We'll stop by a toy store, pick up as many toys as we can. Yeah, with this channel, I don't want it to be just about us and cars. I also want to plan in the future videos like ways to do community outreach through cars. There's so much good we can be doing in this spot. I feel like the car scene gets a bad rep about, you know, recklessness and stuff like that. But I want Empire Works to be a channel where we affect everyone around us in a positive light. All right, so I pray everyone has a happy holiday, safe travels, and enjoy your Christmas with your families. And yeah, also I want to thank you guys for supporting us so far. If you haven't seen our other videos, please go and like our other videos, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Deontay's Q50, we're making good progress with it. The feedback from those videos have been doing really well. Thank everyone that has commented. We see the comments and we try to comment as fast as possible. Road to 1,000 subscribers, man. It's literally around the corner, so I want to thank everyone's support and respect, love, and appreciate y'all. Come on, guys, so we made it in Brooklyn. Linked up with my boy Pat.
What's going on, y'all?
Yeah, so we're about to enter Target, see what toys they got, and then we'll head out over there. We're starving over here.
Yeah, let's not talk about it.
Yeah.
Gotta get in there and see what's going on. What time we plan on getting there?
Like 2:45.
That's calm. Let's go get some
Gifts, some toys. Pause.
There you go. Let's give some gifts.
Give some gifts. All right.
What are we looking for today? Nah, that's fake fire. I'm not gonna hold you.
Koenigsegg Jesko? Nah, I actually might have to get this one.
Low key, what is this? Is this a bird? Oh, that is fire. Wait. Oh, that's a dinosaur. That's a bird. Nah, that's fire. The bird is fire.
Nah, I actually might get this.
This kind of creeped me out, bro. I don't think we can give this as this could be a gift. What is that?
Oh, it's a cop.
Nah, we got. How much is this? I mean, this doesn't really matter, but.
Paw Patrol, little kids. Who doesn't like that? Plush toys. Is a Sonic movie coming out too?
I believe so.
I ain't like the second one.
Got Paw Patrol, right? What's that? There's another one. You got Sonic? Please. I think the other side got. Yeah, we gotta get some stuff for the girls too. I don't know. I'm looking for my girl toys. I don't play with toys. What would a little girl like? Bro, I don't want to get no donuts. This looks terrifying. Nah, but I don't think this is how the arms used to be when I was growing up as kids. When we had toys. I don't think this is how the arms used to be, bro. Arms look like they're mechanical or something. I don't know what's going on here, man.
What about like a plush? I mean, some of the little ones, you know what I'm saying? Piggly Wiggly, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so. don't know. Oh, kids love Bluey though, and it talks. Not gonna lie.
Fine.
It's probably a lie. So, how much you think it's all gonna come up to?
It's really like, pick it up.
It's more than that.
It's a long way.
You don't need that much more. Sloth? I mean, if you wake up and see them looking at you, just close your eyes.
No, and then it's not there when I open my eyes.
Got some boy toys, girl toys.
We have more boy toys than girl toys.
And they don't make toys for girls, I guess. Just dolls.
It's literally just a doll.
That's,
Oh, what are you talking about? This is fire.
oh, you bring that here.
And I can imagine them walking around.
Actually, that's a fire. It's fire. Bring it.
That's fire, right?
Yeah, put it in.
That is fire. Probably tied down. Oh, nah, bro, I gotta get this. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be for me, bro. This is for me.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get the Lego one, and you can get this.
I'm targeted.
That'll be right for you.
Imagine.
All right, we secured the toys. Pause.
I was not pause.
Happy holidays, guys.
Oh, I'm crying. I wasn't thinking. I'm like, wait, huh?
Hey, we family friendly. Let me stop. Yeah, we're about to head over there now.
That was completely over my head. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, guys, this is mad cold in New York. It's hard to find content to film. Because low-key, I will not be outside recording with this dumb brick. But I'm trying to figure out, like, other videos you guys would be interested in. I've been thinking about, like...
You can go ahead with doing reaction.
Like, reaction?
You can go on with that.
Alright, if I start doing reaction videos, I need you guys to like and comment and share. And help me see that the algorithm rocks with it. Also, Pat is looking for a car. So, Pat a big dude. So hopefully at this...
I'm a big more, yeah.
Yeah, he a big dude. You know what I'm saying?
And don't say nothing. I already told him, don't say nothing about no X5, no X4, X3.
I said it before and I'll say it again.
No, we're not going. I don't have money. I don't have money on me.
So Pat is bad, modest, but every day I tell him to get an X3M, X5M. Cause he a big dude and he wants, you know, he wants a little power. You know what I'm saying? It's still something that looks good, you know.
I'm a big dude with small pockets.
And maybe in a future video we can do like a window shopping with Pat.
That'll be lit.
Actually,
Matter of fact, if I can give me my down payment, I get any car. That help me get the down payment. I'm collecting. I'm gonna put a you call it?
GoFundMe.
A GoFundMe.
All right, we'll do like a little merch drop, and then some of the proceeds will go to Pat.
And then once I get the car, it'll be our car. So once I'm driving, it's like you guys are driving it too. So it's not like just me alone. And then you guys are any mods you want me to do to it, we can do it together. So that's what I believe.
Feel that?
I'm brick, bro.
I'm sorry. Cause it was a thought. No, seriously, it was a thought. It was a thought, and I blurted it out. I did not mean it that way.
I'm fine.
Okay, but just understand, I didn't mean it the way it came out.
We'll take a poll on how you meant it with people here later after the show's over. But
Wait, no. It's brick.
I'll keep it that in there. So I said I'm brick. Hey yo.
It's
So update on the GTI while I'm here. I got the turbo from EQT. There's a whole bunch of maintenance and other parts I need to get first. I need my low pressure fuel pump. I definitely need new brakes at this point. So
big break here
coming soon. Hopefully like in February, I should have everything I need to get that installed. But before that, we are planning a dyno day with me, Akeem, and some other guys, so that if you are looking for your next car, what's the best bang for your buck type of situation, you know? So stay tuned for that as well. We just dropped off the toys at the shop NYC. They're collecting toys for a good cause, for pediatric cancer. And cool dudes. Check them out. And the most beautiful car here today. So we stopped to get some food at Chopped.
It's a 40 grand. What else am I getting? No, let's take this out. I don't want this. Alright, bro.
Alright. Got the warm chicken tinga bowl, man. Chicken tinga bowl from Chopped. Can't go wrong with it. Hits the spot. Not sponsored, but hey, Chopped, if you see this, sponsor your boy. The day was calm. The turnout was okay, but there was a lot of toys, so a lot of toys. I don't know why Pat giggling over there. Let me know what y'all want to see. I want to do a reaction video. I just gotta find the right video to react to. So if you know any compilations that you would like to see us like react to, put it down in the comments. Yo, I'm gonna put Pat's ad in the video.
I ain't gonna lie.
DM him and tell him what car for a 6 foot big dude you want. Like, what are they supposed to be driving?
I ain't 6 foot. Bro, I ain't more to grow. I'm indecisive, so that's the problem. I'm very indecisive, man. But yeah, we gonna get something, man. The new year's coming, and I think in the new year I gotta get right.
Personally, I see him in a TLX, a Q, 540, but he said it's too big for his driveway.
Yeah, 540 is not gonna do it. That was a van right here.
Out and like I'm not an SUV guy, so like I've been telling him to get an X5 M or get like an X3 M40i. Still got the Audi SQ5. That's still a thing.
That's still available. I want that.
I feel like an X3 M40i is solid. It's not an X3M,
Bro,
where you still get the.
That sounds mad long for us. That name is too much.
Performance wise, it got the same engine, got the B58 in there.
Can it fit? It might. I don't think it's long.
It's not as long as a 540.
I don't know. We said what? Yeah, it could work.
If y'all know any great used dealerships with decent inventory on like cars of that caliber, but like they don't be wilding out with the pricing and markups, like hit us up as well. Because Pat need a car come 2025. But we need more content to put on the page.
Yo, bro, nah, it's coming soon. I'm about to pay, basically paying for content. Be buying content.
First of all, you say it like that, it's like you suggesting something else. That's crazy.
What?
Oh, yeah, you pay for content? It's crazy.
Yeah, you pay for content. I'm about to start OnlyFans. Matter of fact, there we go. I'm starting OnlyFans.
Yo, we family friendly.
Bro, OnlyFans, you can do good stuff on there too. I'm not talking about doing nothing crazy. Feet finder, maybe. Like some feet pics. My feet are not that bad, bro.
I'm not trying to see your feet pics.
Oh, it's faceless content, bro. You will never know who it is. I'm gonna tell you some baddie from around the way. You gonna watch, you gonna subscribe, you gonna be like, oh my god. And I get my money up and I'm gonna get the boom of that way, man. Nah, don't listen to me. I would never trust you. Nah, hell no.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
A valid decision. Like, I want to build a GTI, but if I can find a good Golf R, I'd probably trade this in for that until I got the money for a BMW. I still want to have my VW content for the channel.
Faceless content, bro.
Bro, I am not Fresh Kicks. I don't got that soothing voice. Pause. Fresh Kicks, I ain't mean like that. Well, if you have watched the video, please like, comment, subscribe.
Tell your friends, like, comment, subscribe. Tell your pops, like, comment, subscribe. Tell your sister, like, comment, subscribe. Your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whatever you got, like, comment, subscribe. Your kids, like, comment, subscribe.
Tiana, Khadijah, Lenny Carvel, him, her, bodies.
Just get us to 1,000. Yeah, get us to 1,000 and we go from there. Support is free. Don't forget that. Support is free. Appreciate y'all.
And if there's any other car groups that want to collab, or just people with cars that want to collab, like we review your cars or anything like that, yo, let me know. IG's there, you know, and we appreciate y'all. So stay safe, holiday season. Stay warm. And
cozy.
Catch y'all in the next video.